Imagine a world where patient waiting times plummet, mobile networks run smoother than ever, and loan approvals happen in days, not weeks. But here's the twist. All these breakthroughs are powered by the same approach: Scrum. You might have heard that Scrum belongs only to software teams. But what if it could revolutionize hospitals, telecom networks, and banking operations? That's exactly what happened in 3 transformative stories. Traditional projects often follow a familiar script: months of planning, endless documentation, and delayed delivery. The result? Customers still waiting. But then there's Scrum. Instead of one giant leap, work is delivered in short, focused sprints. Value reaches customers sooner. Feedback drives improvements, sprint by sprint, until you achieve true satisfaction. So, what exactly is Scrum? It's a lightweight framework designed to help teams tackle complex problems, one step at a time. Rather than spending a year building everything, Scrum asks, what can we deliver in 2 weeks that matters? Teams build, review, and refine, again and again, delivering value faster and more consistently. Picture a huge project broken down into manageable sprints. Sprint 1 delivers a solution you can see and use. Sprint 2 adds new features based on real feedback. Sprint 3 makes it better still. With each cycle, your business moves closer to its goals, and your customers reap the benefits. As these real transformation stories show, Scrum's power reaches far beyond software. Across banking, telecom, and healthcare, organizations are harnessing sprints to solve real problems, deliver value continuously, and leave old delays behind. The future of business doesn't wait. Maybe it's time your team sprinted forward, too.